block that the EGR sits onto. See if I can torch down. That's the EGR cooler there.
Yeah.
There's a block. The EGR cooler then bolts down onto and then this little block here then bolts onto the exhaust manifold. And I don't know if
Does it just need reorganising, or is it?
yeah, from what I can see, let's see if I can see it. I did. There we are. On the top there, it's probably not very easy to see, but there's a metal gasket. Where is it?
What, between the two?
There. There. That metal gasket there. I don't know if you can see it with your eyes.
Oh, between the two different coloured metals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. That's because it's not located properly, and it's leaking at the whole thing because it's not sealed on the bottom.
Okay. How can you tell it's not located properly?
Because that gasket there should be flush with the metal. You shouldn't be able to see that much gasket
Oh, I see.
on the. I don't know if you can you.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
Can you see
So
it?
can you reseal that then? Can you reseat that?
Yeah, I'll have to see if I can loosen the EGR cooler here off, and then I'll have to loosen these off here to then locate it.
So what is that, like something you can do from here, or have we got to take more stuff off?
I should be able to do it from there.
Okay.
Should be able to.
Or now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
While it's
Okay.
all apart.
All right. Let us know.